Hey, what's up? I am Zemi the designer. I will be talking about AI, design, and spirituality, as well as my personal opinion about other topics that I like. On this channel, when it comes to AI, it probably more or less like utilizing the tools and the new things that come out. When it comes to my personal opinion, it's more dealing upon what the culture brings or what happens in recent news. And when it comes to spirituality, it can vary from the whole chakras thing to human history, the what you call it, Younger Dryas comet impact, all the way to the ancient astronaut theory and yada yada yada. When it comes to design, I've done graphic design. I've designed vinyl wraps for cars. Um, I've designed my own clothing. I've done the fucking marketing. Um, excuse my language. Yeah, that's about it. Business and entrepreneurship. I will be doing tutorials on this channel as well. Um, yeah, that's the channel introduction. I am Zemi the designer, and welcome, welcome.